This is gonna be such a raw depiction of my life. If you guys have not heard of me, it's your babe Khadijah, and I don't really know what I'm doing yet. I wanted you guys to see me at the start, the very beginning. So I am here. Good morning. I was able to luckily wake up before my son, so my son is asleep right now. And so I came outside to enjoy some time with nature and to garden and talk to God. The sun is shining, the tank is clean. We're gonna have a great week. I want you guys to kind of see what a typical week looks like for me so that you can decide if this is somebody that you would regularly watch or if this is somebody that you're finna just and scroll. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, everybody, good morning. Let's have a great day. Let's get up. Let's be productive. I'm really freaking tired. I didn't go to bed until almost 2 a.m. because I was up trying to record and edit my TikToks, and I'm really trying not to be on my phone as much throughout the day. But now I am being punished for it because I am exhausted. I literally feel dog tired. This actually smacks. Hold on. So for breakfast today, I'm gonna be doing a cutie, some raspberries, and then this Quaker strawberry. What does y'all's morning routines look like? Because clearly I don't really have one. So I've been trying to force myself to wake up at like 5 and 6 so I can like get up and be productive and have some type of morning routine, but who could be doing that every day? Me, if I want to change my life. So we're gonna go have some sunlight while we wait for his oatmeal to cool down so he does not beat me up. Cool? Okay. Juicy butt, that's what I call him, don't say nothing to me, is eating. I'm going to go ahead and sit here and enjoy my coffee. I'm just gonna sit here and I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, and then we're gonna get up and I have to go to the room. We're gonna clean up the room, take his laundry in there, and then I'm probably gonna just wait and do his laundry after he wakes up from his nap. No, I am gonna do that. I'm gonna do his laundry and then we're gonna go outside and we're gonna have some playtime. Okay, so it is currently 11:25 and I have been able to successfully do breakfast, his laundry, clean up the room, Had to clean up the room twice because he decided that as soon as I got done with his toys, he was going to dump them out and play with them while I cleaned the rest of the room, which is fine. I broke my tripod, which is why y'all are getting these like less than optimal angles. We didn't end up getting to go outside before his nap time. I am about to go and run and get him a snack real quick because I want him to have something on his stomach before he goes to sleep. We are just not on schedule at all today, but it's fine because we're being productive. Okay, so the room is not perfect, but it's functional and that's really what I wanted. So we've got the vanity cleaned, organized, wiped. The bed is made, clothes laid out so that I can take a shower. My son's bed is made. Toys are what they are because he's gonna play with them anyways. I don't really care about the toys. Yeah, you guys, this is pretty much my room. Everything's clean. I did the laundry. I did me and my fiance's laundry yesterday. Now I'm just going to do wind down time, turn this TV off, have some little playtime for my son. It's 11:39. It's gonna be his nap time, so we gotta get this shit going. You wanna say hi to my vlog?